Well, hello, this is Chris with Valleyscape. Perhaps you're at home, you're washing clothes, you have kids at home, and you look outside and you notice right behind me you have a leak. So you go outside to your valves and you try to find out which one is controlling that area. But to your surprise, you cannot turn it off from either your controller or from the valve itself. So let's just say, for example, you don't have a shutoff valve to turn your irrigation off. So what do? Well, you have to turn off all the water to your house by means of the meter. So what's the simple way to turn it off just temporarily until you get someone to come out there and fix it? Well, all you need is a screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and you find out what valve controls that zone, which is this one. So what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver, and this is what is called a flow control. So if I turn this flow control all the way to the right, the water is going to slow down. Eventually stopping it. So until you can get an irrigation specialist out there, here's a temporary fix. And if you'd like for us to help you out with that, please call us at Valleyscape 951-837-3209. Thank you.